I'm Auriane and I'm a PhD candidate in the Molecular Proteomics Lab at the Baker Institute. So my PhD project is looking at the aftermath of a heart attack. And so what's happening is that often the blood flow to the heart stops suddenly. So this is the heart attack. And the issue is that without this oxygen and nutrients to the heart, a portion of the cells die and they don't grow back. So this is a huge problem because if the heart cells don't regenerate, what happens is that instead there's a fibrotic scar that forms. And this is a bit like emergency concrete. It's really stiff and impairs the heart capacity to pump. And that's what causes heart failure. And today there's 1 in 50 deaths in Australia caused by heart failure. Our solution is to develop a cardiac patch or Band-Aid that could be applied on the surface of the heart. And this will deliver stem cell factors directly to the heart cells and help them regenerate. The patch is made of silk, which is a natural biomaterial that is very biocompatible, which means the body really accepts it well. And so that gives some structural support for the heart. And then for the regenerative part, we're using stem cell technologies integrated within that patch. So those little vesicles look like a little bubble, and it's about 100 times smaller than your hair. So it's very, very small, and they're constantly circular in your body. So they travel in your body to go from one cell to another. And once they are received by a cell, it's able to read it and interpret it. So it's really like text messages between cells. By leveraging or using this ability of stem cells to regenerate and using those text messages, we can help the heart grow and repair. Donor support is really important for the work that I'm doing today. Research is a very long process, so we need constant support from all the donors to be able to sustain this project until its completion. If you're considering supporting us, please do it now. There's no big or small contributions. Anything will help us in our work, and we are very grateful for that.